on the block, it don't matter. Work that thing so you make your head better. Work that thing, twerk that thing. Be careful, girl, don't hurt that man. Now put your hands in the sky, wave side to side, and let your body ride and keep the crowd live. If you're young and you wanna have fun, don't stop, just work your body. Hey, hey, when you see me on the dance floor,
If you love this man, and you show the man some love. Hold those hands together, come on, ladies and gentlemen.
like Janet Jackson, get it on the floor, let them know what's happening. Make it happen, ship your captain across the globe like a FedEx package.
Baby, do what you do, let me sing it like that. You're first. So we get loose, keep the dance floor like it's nobody else. So we get loose, yeah, take it all down, baby, do your thing. So we get loose, D-A-J-T-Back, shorty ain't even know I just break it down like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for it. Yeah. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, if you love what you see, this is our own entertainment team right now, and this is where we're gonna take the curtains down. Come on, put those hands together. You wanna see more? Keep it going now, keep it going now, keep it going now, keep it going now, keep it going. Yeah, yeah, come on. Yeah, man. This is where we're gonna put the curtains down for our show time. In a little while from now, we're gonna welcome us to the stage to sing in front of the band. Yeah, hey, come on, give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for them, give it up, give it up, give it up. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, show the man some more love. Well done, well done. All right, so ladies and